Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This video is a review of the FREETRESS AFRICANA braid air that was sent to me by DIVATRESS. DIVATRESS.com, thank you so much for sending this to me. They sent me 6 bags of this in the color Midnight Blue. It is 84 inches. It's 100% conical. Now about DIVATRESS, it's the place to be with regards to everything air related. Looking for weaves, wigs, crochet air, braiding air, just about everything you can think of. Beauty products, air products, accessories. You find them all on DIVATRESS.com. Now to my air. As you can see, I'm using the air already. I'm doing me some jumbo box braids, and already I used them 4 bags, and it's looking so good already. Like, this air is just like, it's so beautiful. So I'm just gonna continue now. I already have 4 bags of the air in my air. Yes, 4 bags. I add 1 bag cut in half, and I add 1 bag cut in half, and then I split all of the air in 3. See the whole length of the air. This air is real cool. Like, it is really good. This is Canicalan, and that just does it for me. And the color too, come on, just look at this midnight blue. This is so gonna be like shining good in the sun. So here it is. I'm just gonna cut this one now and feather and show you how I got this done. See, 4 bags in already. It is actually long hand, but that's how I want it. Yep, this is the whole length of the air. This is the whole length of the air, 84 inches. So scissors, I cut each in 2. Now it's in 2, 1, 2. I take some of this, not exactly half of this, not half. Like let me say, should I say half of this, or just 1? From here, from one side, take some out from the other part too, add it to that other one, and so I have 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I split each bag of air in 3. 1, 2, 3, and got 1, 2, 3 braids. So 1, 2, 3 braids is 1 bag of hair. 1, 2, 3 braids is 1 bag of hair. Right now I have 12 braids in my hair, and that is 4 bags. 3 braids per bag. So I'm going to continue. As you can see, the hair does not come pre-stretched, so I'm going to have to feather the ends myself. See? Feather the ends. I comb. There's it. Now with this one, I'm going to do 1 braid. And I split it again in 2. Pull a little bit more. Spin. 2. And I braid. And do this one. now I'm done with my hair. I was done a few hours ago, but then my client came in and I had to make her hair, so I'm here again now to finish this video. Thank you so much, DIVATRESS, once again for sending this hair to me. I am enjoying this hair already. These braids are so beautiful. I used 5 bags of the FREETRESS AFRICANA braid. It's 4 inches in the color midnight blue, and here it is. Can't wait for tomorrow to go out and start rocking these braids like they are. The color is everything, and with this colorful yarn I put into, it's summer after all. It's gotta be colorful, gotta be playful. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be putting in the description box the link to the DIVATRESS website, the link to this hair directly if you wanted this, as well as some of their coupon codes. And to you watching this video, thank you so much for watching. Thank you.